Welcome to the #1 spot for hydrogen product reviews, and in this video we will be reviewing the H2Life BG version 4.1 from the company Hydrogen for Health. My name is H2HUBB with H2HUBB, and this is the BG 4.1 Oxyhydrogen Inhalation System offered by the company Hydrogen for Health. If you're looking for a quality and budget-friendly oxyhydrogen inhalation device for in-home use, then this is the review for you. In this video, we're going to break this product down in 6 points. What is it for and who is it for? Details like price, key features, and comparisons. The user experience, safety, and maintenance. Our seal of approval. My own personal opinion. And 3 reasons why you should consider this product. Now let's talk about what this product is for. This is a hydrogen system that allows you to engage in oxyhydrogen or H2 and O2 inhalation therapy. Primarily oxyhydrogen is 66% H2 and 33% O2, and this system delivers this gas to you at a therapeutic level. Now let's discuss who this product is for. This product is for the user who wants to explore Brown's gas or oxyhydrogen therapy, and for people who want to purchase a quality flagship inhalation system for less than $2,000. Next, let's move into some details. This product is manufactured and produced by the company Hydrogen for Health, which is located in Utah. The company started in 2007 and is a retailer and manufacturer of hydrogen generation equipment. They focus on offering some of the safest, most reliable hydrogen health products at a reasonable price. We've been working with them for 5 years now, so we have developed a solid relationship. The owner of the company is Steve Dell. He actually designed and engineered this machine from the ground up. Therefore, this system is manufactured and produced solely in America. Let's move on and discuss the price point of this system. This system retails for $1,980. But through H2HUBB, you can get this product for $100 off using our H2HUBB discount code H2HUBB100. That makes the price point for this system $1,880, and it's free shipping for those who are located in the US. This system is much easier on your wallet when compared to most units on the market. The company even offers financing for this system through Affirm, with payments as low as $69 per month, or you can do 6 months with no interest. Let's move on to discuss the key features of this system. The device produces 600 milliliters per minute of oxyhydrogen, which means it provides 400 milliliters per minute of H2 and 200 milliliters per minute of O2. The system is compact and lightweight, which means it's easy to move around and fit into small places. It allows the user to switch between 300 milliliters per minute and 600 milliliters per minute outputs. It comes with a digital touch display and displays a 200-hour countdown timer to alert the user that it's time to maintenance the device. It also comes with a built-in large humidifier for cleaning the gas and a big carrying handle. Lastly, the system uses a very low amount of electrolyte or sodium hydroxide for the electrolysis solution. So, what are you getting for your money? You'll be getting a handcrafted quality oxyhydrogen system that delivers 600 milliliters per minute of oxyhydrogen and does so safely. Comparing the BG4 to other similar products on the market, it is similar to other well-engineered oxyhydrogen systems that you can purchase, but you can acquire it for a lower price point in comparison to other affordable oxyhydrogen devices. Compared to other devices like it, it is aesthetically more appealing in our opinion than a lot of other oxyhydrogen systems. Moving on, let's discuss the user experience of this device. On the back side of the system, you will find a power cord attached to the unit that simply just needs to be plugged into the outlet. Also, it's important to take note of this sticker where the company displays the instructional video for this system. I highly recommend going and watching that video if you're interested in purchasing this device. On this side of the system, you will see a large humidifier that only requires distilled water. Also, there will be a drain port and a water inlet, as well as a pressure release valve. On the top side of the system, you will see a heavy-duty carrying handle. This allows you to move the device around easily, and the lid for the electrolysis reservoir. It's important to watch the company's instructional video to ensure you're setting the unit up properly, and to make sure you're putting in the appropriate amount of electrolyte into the reservoir. On the front side of the system, you will find a display window for the electrolyte reservoir. Also, there'll be a drain port for the electrolysis water. This port is for the gas outlet where you connect a nasal cannula. And also there will be a power button on the front side of the system. Lastly, on the front side of the system, you will see a digital display. On this display, you will see how to adjust the inhalation session time with a plus 30 minutes button and a minus 10 minutes button. With these buttons, you can set the actual time frame for breathing hydrogen gas. You will also see the session time displayed in big numbers. Underneath the inhalation session time, you will see a place to select either 600 milliliters per minute or 300 milliliters per minute of oxyhydrogen. The system will also display the internal temperature of the device. If the system starts to get warm, it'll shut down and automatically decrease in its temperature until you can run it again. The unit also displays the number of hours before the system needs to be maintenance. And lastly, the big triangle green button allows you to start the system, which will initiate electrolysis so you can breathe hydrogen gas. Let's go ahead and discuss the safety features of this device. The system has 8 key mechanisms for improving the safety of the device. Number 1 would be the maintenance notification. The system notifies the user to maintenance the system every 200 hours, ensuring the safety of the user and the system. Number 2 would be the high temperature sensor, which prevents the cell from overheating. Number 3 would be the low electrolyte concentration. This might be the most important of all the safety features of this system. This device only requires a 0.38% solution of sodium hydroxide to operate it properly. As an important note, oxyhydrogen systems that do not have a membrane have higher maintenance requirements and require the mixing and cleaning of an electrolyte solution, sodium hydroxide solution, also called lye, meaning possible and higher safety concerns. Therefore, it's important that every potential client knows upfront that the device is a higher maintenance and safety concern hydrogen system and typically requires weekly attention. However, the BG 4.1 requires significantly less electrolyte than its competitors, and compared to some devices on the market, requires 40 times less electrolyte to perform at an optimal function. Number 4 would be the low water protection, which prevents the cell from excessive heat. This feature of the system will also notify the user to add more water to the reservoir. Number 5 would be the large humidifier reservoir. This prevents sodium hydroxide vapor from being administered with the production of the gas. Number 6 would be backflow protection, which acts as a backflow preventer. Number 7 would be internal fans. They prevent excessive heat within the system and prevent hydrogen gas buildup within the housing in case of a leak. And number 8 would be the large heat vents, which allows the system to disperse the heat efficiently. Now let's move on to the maintenance of the system. The system only requires distilled water and adding fresh distilled water when necessary. The large humidifier or bubbler requires adding fresh new distilled water every 100 hours of use. And the system itself requires a new electrolyte solution every 200 hours, which only requires a specific amount of electrolyte and distilled water. For more information about the maintenance of the system, I highly encourage everyone to watch the instructional video about the company because he outlines everything you need to know about the device. Now let's go ahead and move on to our seal of approval for this product. Here at H2HUBB, we actually independently and third-party test hydrogen products against our in-house performance standards. We take products through an evaluation process to see if they're going to meet these standards. You can actually see these standards on our website. And if the product does meet our standards or surpasses our standards, we will actually recommend the product and rank the product. And you can also see our performance ranking on our website. We do all of this to help people make informed decisions about the product they want to purchase. Through our evaluation, we try to identify 3 things about the product. 1, if it provides therapeutic levels of hydrogen gas. 2, if it has a decent level of build quality. And 3, if the product is safe to use. Through our analysis, we confirmed the gas flow rate of the system, H2 and O2 flow rates. We measured the hydrogen gas flow rate at 415 milliliters per minute or 34.21 milligrams per minute at SATP. We also measured the oxygen flow rate at 207.69 milliliters per minute at SATP. Lastly, we confirmed the total flow rate of oxyhydrogen, H2 and O2 at 623.13 milliliters per minute of oxyhydrogen. Through our evaluation, we have approved this product as a recommended H2 inhalation system. Based on our performance rankings and the measured gas flow rate, this system would rank at a level 3 H2 inhalation system. Alright, so let's go ahead and discuss my personal opinion of this product. First things first would be, I noticed its compact build. It's the first thing that stood out to me, that it's not an overly large system. And then this carrying handle, this big carrying handle actually, allowing you to move the device around easily. And so that's the first thing that stood out. Next would have been that it uses a significantly lower level of sodium hydroxide for the electrolysis solution. This is a big important issue for us at H2HUBB because my number one concern with these oxyhydrogen systems that don't utilize a PEM within its hydrogen cell is safety. And so because it uses a lower level, that means it has a greater chance of filtering the gas well. And it increases the safety for the end user of the product. And so I really like that. Next would have been its price point. It actually comes at a really good price point considering other similar oxyhydrogen systems on the market, especially with this type of build quality or quality that's actually within the unit. And it also produces a therapeutic level of hydrogen gas, upwards of, like I said, I mean, we actually measured it above 400 milliliters per minute, which, considering the price tag for the system, not every system on the market or oxyhydrogen systems like this unit can generate this type of hydrogen gas, or these levels of hydrogen gas for breathing. So it makes it highly therapeutic when you use it on the 600 milliliter per minute setting. I really like the design and color of the system. It makes it stand out compared to other units that you see on the market. I mean, a lot of units are typically white or something like that. And so him having produced a housing out of this blue color makes it really unique. And then I like the fact that it was produced and engineered here in America by Steve Dale. I think he did a really good job constructing this unit or engineering this unit. And I think it gives it a uniqueness to it that is actually produced here in the United States. And he did a great job building the system. So that would be my personal opinions around the unit. Final thoughts and conclusion. This is a well-engineered, well-built oxyhydrogen system that allows budget-conscious consumers a solid option for H2 inhalation at home with more than 300 milliliters per minute of H2. This system does a great job with safety considering the type of hydrogen inhalation system it is, which is very important to H2HUBB. 3 reasons why you should consider this product. It's handcrafted in the US, it has great safety measures, and you can acquire it at an affordable price. Question: what do you like most about this product? Is it the compact design? Is it the color? Is it the handle? The safety features? Let me know in the comments. If you enjoyed this video, please like and subscribe and hit the notification bell for when we post new videos. And we'll catch you next time at the H2HUBB.